New York City's historic water treatment and distribution system has been constantly changing with newer designs and demand for more water. In 1677, the first public well was made. But from that well in 1830, a tank for fire protection was constructed by the city at 13th Street and Broadway. But as the population and use increased, this made the well system polluted and insufficient. So in 1883, a commission was formed to build a second aqueduct from the Croton watershed, as well as additional storage reservoirs. Water for the system is impounded in 3 upstate reservoir systems, which include 19 reservoirs and 3 control lakes with a total storage capacity of approximately 580 billion gallons. The 3 water collection systems were designed and built with various interconnections to increase flexibility by permitting exchange of water from one to another. Some of the technology used in the Delaware system was very advanced at the time. They used a system of 19 reservoirs and 3 control lakes that used multiple interconnections, making the system very economical and efficient. They also implemented a system that used gravity to deliver 95% of the water, which was very advanced for its time. Ventilators were also used to create a vacuum seal in the water to keep its freshness.
The most recent addition to the New York City water system is the Croton Water Filtration Plant, which costs close to $2.8 billion. More than 10 reservoirs have been built between 1842 and 1964. In 2015, New York City spent $12.5 billion on the water supply. Approximately 95% of the total water is delivered by gravity. As a result, operating costs are relatively insensitive to the fluctuations in the cost of power. The present water system was consolidated from various water systems in the communities around New York City.
Clean, free water helped during times of drought, but increasing population made it difficult to build water systems that were capable of handling more people. Land was also taken up as the need for more water was necessary. This created an issue for those who were living in the locations of the current water plants.
It created a vast improvement in the overall hygiene of the New York citizens. Clean water provides sustainability in drinking water so people can live healthy lives. A lot of fires that broke out in New York City were able to be extinguished a lot quicker because water was constantly available. The Great Fire of New York City in 1835 was an important historical moment that led to more concern over the current water supply. Because of this fire, New York City developed more advanced technology for water supply.
The federal government ordered for the Croton Aqueduct to be created in order to provide more water for the people. Because of New York City's exponential population growth, a new water filtration system was necessary.